welcome to Miss Marla's Cooking. I'm a program coordinator with Greenlee County Cooperative Extension, and I work with the AZ Health Zone. Today we're going to make some yummies called no-bake peanut butter crunch balls. They're full of energy for your kids and yourself. The ingredients are 3/4 cup golden raisins, or you can substitute those with brown ones if you have them. 1/3 cup of smooth peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar packed, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 cup of puffed rice cereal, 1/4 cup of chopped unsalted pretzels, and 1/3 cup of unsweetened coconut. These are just full of ingredients that will give you energy and keep you going. First, we're going to measure all the ingredients into a food processor. So let's get our 3/4 cup of raisins. When you're cooking, you need to always wash your hands first, and I've already done that. Touching all the ingredients like we do. And we're going to stick these into the food processor. And we're going to pulse it until it forms a ball. I think we've got our ball. If you don't have a food processor, you can just use a cutting board and a sharp knife and cut all your raisins in little pieces. Next, we're going to add 1/3 cup of smooth peanut butter. A spoon comes in handy when you use this. And if you only have crunchy peanut butter, I'm sure that would work fine too. These, after all, are crunchy balls. Next is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar packed. To pack it, you just fill it up and press it down, and when you put it into your other ingredients, it will come out in the form of the tablespoon. There's 1 and 2. The spices will give this recipe just the right amount of kick. First, we're going to do the cinnamon, 1 teaspoon, dip it in and shake it off. And then ginger. We're going to add 1 cup of puffed rice cereal that I've already measured. Pop that into our processor bowl. And 1/4 cup of chopped unsalted pretzels. So I'm going to chop these with my finger a little bit, fingers, and actually the food processor does a pretty good job of it too. So we'll just put a little heaping cup and it will pop it up when we get it in there. And then we're going to put the lid back on and watch it mix together. The peanut butter is going to give your body protein and keep you going. And the raisins are great because they add a lot of fiber and vitamins to you. Now we're going to use you can either use a teaspoon or a cookie scoop, and I'm going to try this and show you how easy that is. They're ready to go. There's a ball. We're going to dip it in a little of the unsweetened coconut and put it on our plate or in a plastic container that will keep them from drying out. And these are good to have in the refrigerator or hanging around when kids get hungry. The unsweetened coconut has a little different flavor than sweetened, but it is also good. It's a little coarser, but it's really beautiful and is yummy to eat. This will make 15 balls. And if you've got lots of kids around, you're going to want to make extras because they'll go fast. You'll find this recipe and so many other healthy and good ones online at azhealthzone.org. Thanks for joining us. Hope you enjoy it.